Hi everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Michael from Creation for Waves, and in this video we are going to explain how to create the lookalike audience and how to implement that on a campaign, and the different percentage that we can create on a lookalike audience. So if you don't know how to create the lookalike audience, it's very important for you to create the custom audience of which you want to create a lookalike audience. So if you don't know how to create the custom audience, we have already created a video wherein we have explained and we have shown a real time quick review of how to create the custom audience. So here in this video, I will show you how to create a custom audience and how to create a lookalike of that. So let's go ahead and let's look into it. I'm not going to tell you how the custom audience is created. For that, you just view or just use our all video. Go to the all video and just check that. You can go to our YouTube channel and type in how to create custom audience. You can get it from there. All right. So here, before I go to custom audience, let me show you something about how the ads are performing and what is the reason why I'm creating the custom audience. Okay. So this is a client we are working for. The name of the client is Crazy Beta. They sell t-shirts, shirts, and some mobile accessories and a few more product online. So we have been working with them from last few months, and we have seen a very tremendous growth on their sales. Right, this is the campaign. Here is the detail about from the date we have from of last let's take last 7 days. So here you can see, there are some number of conversions that we have already created. Here it's a good number of conversion, and even the conversion rate is around 6 rupees. Here again, the 49 orders at the CPA of 7.57, and here are some 18 conversion 20. It's a bit high here, but we are still optimizing on this account. Surely it's gonna come down. And here on mobile covers, we have created a campaign and we got in something around 82 purchases at the CPA of 84.61. So here we can see that our conversions are pretty much good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a custom audience of the users, those who have purchased from the website, and then add to cart, and then I'm going to create a lookalike of those audience. So the reason here why I'm creating is just because what normally happens is once you create a lookalike audience, Facebook will automatically try to look for the similar audiences, those who are those the behavior of the audience may be somewhere closely related to the people, those who have made the purchase from our website. So that is the main reason, and the same goes for the add to cart. For an example, the machine learning of Facebook will automatically search for or look for the same users or a kind of behavior they are involved. It will cross match the data, and it will try to show the ads to the relevant users, those who may be a potential customer or those who can make a purchase. All right, so just to do that, we need to make sure that we have to create a lookalike audience. We need to make sure that we have already created a custom audience. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to create the custom audience of add to cart and the purchase user. So the first thing is that we need to take the URL of add to cart. So let's go to the t-shirt, the category. Let's go to any product here, and I must say that the website is very, very good and it's pretty fast as well. So sorry, I think I've done some mistake here. So all right, so here the URL is. So let's take this URL, go here, click create custom audience. It will pop up a new page. I'm going to create the website traffic. Click on that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to paste this here, and I'm going to give a name called cart users. I'm going to take last 50 days. Let's make it 30 days. I'm going to give the name card users 30 days. Okay, and I'm going to create this audience. Right, done. So here we got a pop-up that the custom audience was created. It may take a few minutes for us to, so it normally takes some time to get updated, no problem. It's populating here, right? So, okay, well, fine. So now our next is checkout page. Let's click on the checkout page. Here, put in the test creation info ways. It's gonna be MARKT marketing at creation info ways.com. I'm gonna keep a test order. I put in some number to not was a file, triple file. I put in the address. Perfect. Going to place on cash on delivery. I'm gonna confirm the order. I'm just doing this to get our thank you page. So this is our thank you page. So I'm gonna create a new audience of the purchase customers. Same way, we'll go to this. Gonna keep it for 30 days. Perfect. Put in this. Gonna give name as thank you page users. 30 days. Perfect. Create. All right. So yeah. So the audience is updated here now. Okay, so it normally takes some time. So okay, this is how you can create the custom audience. So you don't need to go to our previous video. So this is a normal way. Just create the custom audience of a specific, of a specific category you want to target. And now it will take some time. So let me do one thing here. We already have an add to cart customer of 15 days. So if you want to create a lookalike, just note the name here. Okay, look for the name. It's add to cart 15 days. Okay, go to this, click on lookalike audience. So here we have an option wherein the Facebook allows you to create the lookalike of 1% to 10%, right? So the more you keep the more you increase the percentage, your relevancy may decrease. Okay, it will try to broaden the criteria. So at the very beginning, we always suggest you to go with the 1% to 2%. That is good, but look for 1% and just try to start that. And now here we need to put in the source. The source would be 15 days add to cart. Now, the very important thing here is you need to put in the country that you want to target. If you want to target United States, go for that. If you want to target for UK, look for that. If you want to, you can just go with any one of this. So if you want to target Canada, you can go for that. I'm sorry. Right. So you need to select a specific country you want to target. So here our customers. This customer is a this customer is from India. So I'm gonna select India here. So now here I can go with 2% to 1%. So since I'm working on a real time project, so I will prefer to go with the 1% audience here. So just click on create it, fewer than 1,000. So you can just try. For an example, if you find the number of the users we suggest, if you have 5,000 plus or if you have 10,000 plus, so do one thing. In this case, if you have a limited user here, try to increase the number of the visitor, the number of the days. So since our thank you page 30 days is populating, I'm unable to, because it won't allow me to create the audience. So if you find fewer audience here, what you can do is you can try to increase the number of the days here, right? You can go with 15 days to 30 days, 30 days to maybe around 60 days, and you can try that. So the second challenge here is how to implement this in any campaign. So the first thing is that I hope you know how to create the campaigns and how to do the targeting and how we, how we target or how we categorize our campaigns. So if you're new to this, I request you to look for our previous videos wherein we have given you an information about how the remarketing campaigns are helpful to generate to generate sales, and how the campaigns are created, how the targeting campaigns are created, or how the campaigns are optimized for a better conversion. Look, go through those videos and then refer this, because this is something we are doing a next level wherein you start doing remarketing. Once you found some of the campaigns are really performing well and you have some number of conversions, you can go for this step. All right, so here let's take a small example. So this is a campaign that we have already created, and this campaign is running perfectly fine, so I'm not going to make any kind of changes on this. But here, just to give you an idea how to pull that audience to a campaign, you the first thing is that if you are trying to create, the first thing is you create a new campaign for lookalike audience. Okay, create a new campaign, and then what you have to do is go to edit, and here on the top you can put in the audience. You can look for the audience here. You can can just click here, give a normal click, and then go for the lookalike. So in this case, what you have to do is you have to select lookalike audience 1% 15 days. Once you select this, you need to make sure that the age, don't keep the targeting and all the things here. You can just take out these things. You just need to put in that 1% and publish it. Automatically your ads will be triggered on the 1%. Since this is a live campaign and we already have a good conversion, I'm not going to make much changes on this, but this is how you have to do that. And while creating, if you find any problem, please do comment. We will be happy to help you with. And stay tuned. We are coming up with few more videos wherein we will be explaining you how to use a lookalike audience on 1% to 3% to 5%, and how to add a targeting on that, how to put in the targeting, or how to customize that with the age, gender, and languages and different detailed targeting. So stay tuned, and thank you for your time, and have a great day. Bye.